This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Jetpack for WordPress. Jetpack is a comprehensive plugin designed to enhance your site's security, performance, and overall management. It brings many powerful features, often found in multiple separate plugins, into one convenient package. We'll cover its core benefits, explore key modules, and show you how to get started quickly to improve your website. Jetpack significantly boosts your site's security. It actively protects against brute force attacks and monitors your site for any downtime, alerting you immediately if issues arise. For performance, Jetpack optimizes your images, reducing their file size by up to 50% without losing quality, which helps your pages load much faster for visitors. Beyond security and speed, Jetpack offers excellent tools for managing your site and encouraging growth. You can view detailed traffic statistics to understand your audience better. It also suggests related posts to keep visitors engaged longer, and you can automate sharing your new content across various social media platforms, saving you valuable time. Getting started with Jetpack is straightforward. First, install the plugin directly from your WordPress dashboard's plugin directory. Next, connect it to your WordPress.com account, which is free and unlocks many features. Finally, navigate to the Jetpack settings to activate the specific modules you need, customizing it perfectly for your website's requirements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.